In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of adding a new camera to S-VMX system. Begin by opening your system's configuration page. Navigate to Devices and Cameras. Click the Add icon to start adding a new camera. Select Next to add a single camera. Choose IP camera as your camera type. Enter a descriptive name for the camera. Choose the camera protocol. ONVIF is widely supported among camera manufacturers. Enter the camera's IP address and port. Enable Digest Auth and SSL to improve security. Enter the camera's credentials, username and password. Enable Use Device Settings to automatically detect stream parameters. System suggests 2 streams to be added. Choose a connector role to assign a stream for particular use. If you have multiple device controllers, choose the appropriate one. From the distribution page, select Pending Updates and send the configuration request. The system will prompt you to create a restore point. Provide a brief description of the changes. Confirm any notifications related to system modifications and logging. Click Yes twice. The new camera is now successfully added into your system. Thank you for watching the video. More videos are available from Teleste.